Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis update of gold and silver. We'll see what's going on here. Looks like they're up, which is good. Mining companies look good too after looking at it. So let's dive in. I'll give you my financial opinion. And here we go. The dollar, again, dollar strength. Looks like some people are selling out of bonds, that's for sure. The 10-year yield is continuing to go higher. With that inflation release number, and the jerk that this, we'll call it the knee-jerk reaction to the news, gold and silver have positive outcomes. So dollar higher in the short term here. 10-year yield higher 3.7%. Breaking out of this resistance area. Again, we'll see if it can stay above it and close above it, and then keep continuing to move higher. But my guess is, yes, we're going to see a higher 10-year yield. I think the dollar will be stronger for a while longer. This money's going to rotate and transfer through the dollar. Is looking like that. We've got gold rolling higher today. Looks really good. Nice big wick at the bottom there. Nice big hammer pattern. It looks really good actually to head higher. Silver also catching a bid. It's right on support, and it's moving on up. Platinum also getting a little bit more, we'll call it a sideways move from this large selling pressure. So I think that will eventually rotate and turn around as well. The XAU gold to silver to gold ratio, the mining companies, big bullish engulfing there, guys. This does look like we are trying to put a bottom here, and perhaps we can try to get through this downtrend line in the ratio, XAU to gold ratio. That's the gold and silver miners in relationship to gold. If we can start moving in a positive direction here, where we try to start breaking, we got to break that downtrend line. We break the downtrend line, I think a whole bunch of things will change for the gold and silver mining companies. They'll be much more positively. They'll be viewed in a much more positive light. Corona Resources heading higher. We got the bullish engulfing. This looks fantastic for a move on up. The gold and silver area looks very bullish, and I like it a lot here, the way this looks. Nice big bullish engulfing there. EXK, nice big bullish engulfing, sitting on top of a pattern. I like it. FSM, bullish engulfing, looking good to move higher. SILJ, bullish engulfing, looking good to move on higher. GDX, bullish engulfing, moving higher. Metallic minerals. What do you think we have here? Bullish engulfing, probably going to move on higher. Koya Resources is tightening up. We've got a bullish piercing, Discovery Silver, looking good to go higher. Bullish engulfing for First Majestic Silver, looking good to go higher. Newmont going to go higher here. These are all bullish engulfing candlestick patterns. It is a reversal candlestick where you're kind of coming back, and then we're going to eventually work our way higher. It doesn't mean it'll happen the next day, even though it could, but it'll work its way on up. Mag Silver, bullish engulfing. These all look really good, guys. I'd be very bullish on precious metals. I have been bullish on them. Yamana Gold looking good to move on up. Impact Silver a little bit down day to day. AAGFF bullish piercing. This one looks good. PLG, another one that looks good with a bullish piercing type pattern. Sibby Nice Stillwater right on support, getting some support. Royalty companies, they're also looking very good. Bullish piercing engulfing pattern there. That one looks good. Franco-Nevada bullish engulfing to go higher. We've got EMX right on top of the pattern. Little back test looks good. We've got TEUTF, Tooten Resources getting the bullish piercing, bullish piercing. Wheaton Precious Metals bullish engulfing, looking like it wants to go higher. Gold Royalty getting the bullish engulfing, looking to go higher. Metallo Royalty. And I'll make another comment here at the end. Bullish engulfing here, looks like it wants to go on up. Mavericks Metals, huge, big day today, bullish engulfing. Royal Gold, bullish engulfing, going to go higher. Cisco Gold Royalty, bullish engulfing to go higher. And then we've got another bullish piercing type pattern for Altius. So we spilled out, and hopefully we can move off that support line. But gold and silver, what I was going to say earlier is the whole sector, when money moves, it's just money moving between sectors and sectors. The money moved into precious metals sector. When the inflation becomes persistent and people realize that it's persistent and people say, you know what, this isn't going away, I think we're going to see behaviors change. And that behavior change will impact precious metals in a positive way. The physical metals, the mining companies, they're all going to be viewed differently in an inflationary environment with bonds selling off and interest rates continuing to go higher with an inflation rate that's greater than your interest rate, which means that it's a real negative rate. So long that the real negative rate exists and interest rates are moving up at the same time, that is fuel for precious metals. And I do think over time, precious metals will start catching a bid here. So, yeah, I think it looks good today. I think it's positive, and we'll see what happens with the other sectors. I think it was kind of a sell everything event in the other sectors, unfortunately. And precious metals caught a bid today. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website, the Platinum membership. We've got a question and answer session going on tomorrow at 7 a.m. and Mountain Standard Time. If you guys want to join that, come join me, ask me questions, and I'll tell you what looks the best and what I would be buying at this time. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.